The Guardicore Centra security platform provides comprehensive application protection across any cloud, data center, or hybrid cloud environment. In this video, we will show you how the Centra security platform makes segmenting applications easy in 3 steps. Step 1. We will discover and visualize your applications and associated workflows and label them. Step 2. We'll build policies to secure these application workflows, then monitor them for any alerts for modifications or fine-tuning. Step 3. We'll secure the environment by moving from alerting to enforcement mode and investigating policy violations. The Guardicore Centra security platform visualizes applications and workflows across any environment and provides comprehensive insights down to the process and infrastructure level. After a short data collection period, Centra automatically discovers, visualizes, and maps assets and application flows. With powerful and intuitive labeling and tagging capabilities, Centra makes it easy to quickly group assets using existing orchestration or metadata, or custom labels such as application, role, and environment. Grouping clarifies the high-level view and greatly simplifies the creation of policy rules. Clicking into an application reveals the underlying application tiers and the corresponding infrastructure details such as orchestration metadata. While in this case that data is coming from vSphere, it can come from a wide variety of other orchestration platforms. Further, clicking into the database tier of the human resources application, Centra reveals the individual assets and their communication flows. Additional examination of a specific server reveals the application and process that initiated the communication flow. For each process, Centra reveals valuable security information such as the full path, hash, username, the command line used to execute the process, and infrastructure details. Centra's flexible policy engine makes it easy to build a segmentation policy with logical tiers, comprised of global override rules, application segmentation rules, and micro-segmentation rules. Override rules enable security teams to dramatically reduce the attack surface by alerting on or blocking traffic regardless of segmentation. This is helpful when there is a need to globally implement company or compliance policies. For example, deny rules can be used to explicitly block the usage of unencrypted protocols frequently used by attackers, such as Telnet or FTP, on any segment. Application segmentation rules are used to define cross-application communications. It's how an application is protected as a whole and how it communicates with other applications. Micro-segmentation, on the other hand, are rules used to define how an application communicates within the tiers of its own application. Application segmentation and micro-segmentation rules help to restrict communication between hosts. Centra goes beyond traditional host-based firewalling tools with their basic source, destination, and port context by natively restricting communications using process-level context on both Windows and Linux systems. Through segmentation, Centra not only reduces the available attack surface, it can limit attackers' ability to freely move within the application infrastructure. Customers using Centra often start with policies that alert when policies are violated without blocking the traffic. This gives them an opportunity to review the early results with application owners and verify the policies are not being triggered by sanctioned application activity. Once a policy has been tuned as needed, it can be converted to a blocking policy with just a few clicks. In this example, we see an attempt to run an attack process against Tomcat over port 8080. This is an allowed port that Tomcat uses to communicate with its load balancer. But because Guardicore enabled the creation of a process-level blocking policy, the attack was blocked without affecting legitimate traffic over port 8080. By creating a collection of application segmentation and micro-segmentation policies that govern activity at its granular level, security teams can proactively limit lateral movement in their environment. Furthermore, complementary Guardicore Centra capabilities like breach detection and response provide added protection and insights that organizations can use to complement their micro-segmentation policies and further improve their security posture. To learn more about how Guardicore can protect your data center, cloud, or hybrid cloud environment, visit guardicore.com.